I'm sorry, it's just really good and I haven't had any coffee today, so let's start this video off right. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, another recipe video where I show you how to make a jolly caramel brulee latte for this jolly season. Christmas is coming up and Starbucks has officially released that all their seasonal drinks are back in, so here I am joining the bandwagon of trying to make some because we don't have them here in Australia. Thanks Starbucks AU. Does anyone know how I can get in contact with them? Because I have a bone to pick. Like honestly, they need to stop with this no seasonal drinks because I'm sick of it. I am sick of it. But for those of you who don't know me, my name is Jacqueline and I will be showing you how to make a caramel brulee latte in this video. And my channel is all about coffee, from coffee reviews to coffee recipes. So I thought I'd do this one because I've never gotten the chance to taste it and everyone raves about this flavor and eggnog and all of those. So you'll be seeing videos about those too, but for today it's caramel brulee latte. Here's the timestamps for the video and let's jump into it. Now I have to say I've never had this kind of drink before simply because, well, I'm living in Australia, so I don't have the luxury of many flavors of frappes and all of that kind of thing. I don't even think we have the pink drink in Australia, so we are missing out on some sister strawberry frap. I cannot believe I said that. But I guess it is because of the fact that our season's very different. Like right now it's so summery outside and it's a gorgeous day. So we don't really need to drink like those warm, wintry kind of drinks during this season. So when they release like gingerbread latte in Christmas, I mean, unless it's ice, that's fine, but if it's like a warm one, then it's like kind of inconvenient because no one wants to walk around in like a 30-degree, which is probably around like 100 and something Celsius day and drink a hot drink. No one wants that. I mean, I have seen a few psychopaths in my time drinking hot coffee in a cafe on a 30-degree day, and I just don't know what's wrong with them. If that's one of you, go ahead and like this video. I'm sorry, but I just don't know how you do it. Is there like some secret? Like, are you actually cold-blooded? Like, are you actually lizard people? That being said though, I really want to experience a white Christmas where I can actually go to a place that sells these drinks and try them in the spirits of Christmas and be all warm and cuddly in a fireplace or something like that. I mean, for people who actually experience white Christmas, they probably think it's nothing. It's like, oh, you know, I'm just having a white Christmas, you know, this is the norm. But to some Australians, we're actually like, wow, I want to experience that. That looks so cool. Like, I wish I had that. So, you know, what you have and others don't, one man's winter is another man's treasure. But now that I've introduced everything, we are going to make the caramel brulee latte, which sounds absolutely gorgeous. I want to try it, but I decided I will make it cold because it is extremely hot outside and I just don't think I can consume a hot drink right now. I don't think I can. So I'm going to make it in a frappe style. Actually, I'll just do it in an iced style. And then I will keep the recipe as hot though, so everyone else can try it as a hot recipe, and the only difference will be making the milk hot, essentially. Let's pop into it so I can pretend I'm on some snowy mountain in Canada. Is Canada snowy? Yeah, it is. It's totally snowy. So what you'll need for this recipe to make this drink is some strong coffee or espresso, which is about 50 to 60 milliliters, depending on how much you actually want to put into the drink. You also don't have to add the coffee, it's optional, but I want to make this a coffee-based drink. Then you will need some milk, any kind of milk will do, oat, almond, whatever you prefer. And then you can grab 1 tablespoon of vanilla syrup, or you can use vanilla extract and just 1 teaspoon of that because it's concentrated obviously, so you don't need as much. Whatever you have at home, you can use that. And I really like this recipe is quite easy because it is things that most people or most coffee enthusiasts have at home anyway, because I've got vanilla syrup, caramel syrup, whatever, all of those kinds of things to get ready to throw into a drink. And then all you need to top off the drink is some whipped cream and some caramel drizzle. Now, if you don't have an espresso machine, you can always use a pod machine, use instant coffee. It really is up to you on how you make your coffee for this. You can even use a French press or whatever coffee brewing methods you have at home. It really depends on the quality of coffee that you like and the flavor as well. So I know all of those different types of flavors can be achieved through different brew methods. So go for whatever way you prefer. but you have to remember that it needs to be a stronger kind of coffee, so maybe use a stronger coffee bean or something like that to make sure you're getting that strong flavor of an espresso-like kind of brew. You can obviously steam your milk if you want to make it hot, and then add all the ingredients to a glass together, and that's about it. Give it a good stir, top with whipped cream and caramel drizzle. But if you wanted to do it the cold way like I am going to today, I'm going to add my milk to a glass with some ice and the syrups as well. You can add your syrups to the bottom of a glass, then you'll want to add your ice in, pour over the milk and give it quite a good stir. Add in your espresso, of course, and then simply top up with whipped cream and a bit of a caramel drizzle. Well, here it is, guys, the caramel brulee latte. Well, in my case, the iced version. But like I said, for the warm version, all you need to do is steam your milk and not add ice. But all the same ingredients, all the same steps, basically, just combining everything. And there it is. Oh, it smells so good. It's quite sweet because it has quite a bit of syrups and stuff inside. Oh man, that smells delicious. I'm gonna swap my straw from my other coffee and into here, and now I'm gonna just give it a bit of a stir. All right, now let me have a sip. Whoa, that is so good. Oh, I like that a lot. So it's obviously sweet. You can definitely taste the hint of caramel, and because it is like replicated after like a brulee, like a creme brulee, it does have the hint of vanilla as well, so that's really delicious. Let me try again. Oh man, I really like that. And you know, I'm not the biggest sweet tooth. Like, I usually drink coffee black or with no sugar at all. So if I have a latte, there's no sugar. Any fun drinks, I don't really go out to have fun drinks. I always get like a plain iced latte or just a latte. So for me, this is quite sweet. But I would make this again. It's sweet, it's creamy, it's got that hint of coffee, which I love. And depending on your flavor preferences, if you don't want to add coffee or whatever it may be, that's up to you. But this is actually really good, and I'm surprised with the result. And I actually will drink this, but I've probably had a bit too much caffeine. But hey, how many times do you live? As Drake would say, you only live once. That's the motto. Thank you, Drake. Delicious. And it's so easy to make. Like, it's just a great drink to have in general. You can stack up the amount of whipped cream you want. Depends on your flavor preferences. And of course, you can get creative. If you want to add some like caramel crumble of some sort on top, then go for it. And you know, caramel cookie crumble, I don't know, there's so many different things that you could probably put onto this drink, into this drink, and it's really up to you. You can make a frappe version, you can make hot version, cold version, and you can go crazy with it. It's really good, guys, and I definitely suggest trying it out. This is such an easy recipe, guys, and I wouldn't even think twice about needing to make it because I have everything that I need at home. I don't have to go anywhere to find unsourceable weird ingredients like butterfly pea latte, which I'm still looking for now, and I can find it, but it takes ages to get shipped out, and it's just like, I don't want to have to wait to make my drink, you know? So none of these ingredients are hard to come by. It's definitely an easy recipe, and if you love caramel based drinks, then I suggest this and I highly recommend it. But that is all for today. What did you guys think of this drink? Have you ever tried it before, and would you try it again? Or maybe there's a different drink that you would like to see me make. Let me know down in the comments, and make sure to tag me on Instagram if you actually do make this drink. And you know, please let me know down in the comments if you would like me to try a different kind of drink recipe, or if you want to see me make something, review something. I'm more than happy to take those ideas and actually use them. So feel free to leave a comment down below. Please make sure to like and subscribe for more coffee content, and I will see you guys in the next video of whatever I make. Thank you so much for watching, and stay coffee-tized.